Hey guys, this is Myanmar and welcome back to our channel Ampnics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to design a push button module or tactile switch using KiCad. This is going to be our step-by-step tutorial, so just be patient with me. Let's get started. Click on File, New Project, name the project, hit OK. So after saving the project, you will find two folders, Schematic and PCB. So we will double click on Schematic. After opening the schematic, we will fill the basic information here. So for that, click on File, Page Setting, issue the date, hit OK. After hitting OK, you will see the basic information in your sheet. Now we will start adding the component in our schematic. So for adding the component in schematic, you can use the shortcut key A, or you can click here. So I will search here push button, double click on it, again shortcut key A, and I will need a resistor as well, so double click on it. R for rotation. Okay, we will also need a connector, so shortcut key A, and I will search here connector. We are going to use 3-pin connector, so double click on it. Alright, so for moving the component, you can just select the component by pressing the left button on your mouse. You can place it here and there. So we will start wiring up this. So for wiring, you can use the shortcut key W, or you zoom it, you will find a green line here. With the help of this, we can wire it up. For updating the value of this resistor, just double click on it, and we will also name this. After completing the schematic, we will add the net label here. For adding the net label, we can utilize this tool, place net labels, or you can use the shortcut key L. So I will click on it and I will name my nets as VCC. R for rotation, I'll place it here. This is our signal, this is ground. Now we will assign the footprint. So for assigning the footprint, we have to double click on it, and we will look for the connector pin header, and pitch is about to 2.54. We will double click on it. Then we have resistor, so for that we will go in resistor SMD. We will select the 0603 size. For buttons, we have push button, so for this we will select button switch underscore THT, and we are going to select this one, button switch THT. You can also inspect the 3D view of this push button. Right click on it, view selected footprint, and if you click here, you can view the 3D model of this push button as well. So just double click on it. Alright, after assigning the footprint, you can use the Ctrl+S, or you can just click here, apply save schematic, and continue, hit OK. Schematic and footprint assignment is done. We will design the layout. For designing the layout, we have to double click on it, switch to PCB editor, click on update PCB from schematic, update PCB, hit close. Now you can see all the component is here. We will turn off the FFab layer and we will design the board outline. So for designing the board outline, we will first select the grid size about 1 mm. Make sure to select the edge cut layer. Click on draw rectangle tool. The mechanical dimension of this module is about 15 by 18. Okay. Now we will move the component. So for moving the component, you can just select it, and by pressing the left button on your mouse, you can place it here and there. So for precise control, I will reduce the grid size, and then I will arrange the components in the board. R for rotation. After arranging the component, we will design the layout. For designing the layout, you have to go in track, use net width, and edit predefined sizes, and I will add here manual size, which is about 0.3 mm and 0.5 mm. Hit OK. Now we will design the layout for it. So for designing the layout, make sure to select the front copper layer and select route signal track. But before that, we will select the size. So for VCC, I'm gonna keep it 0.5 mm. Okay. And for designing the layout, you have to click here, route signal track, and then we will select the 0.3 mm for this signal. Track design is done. We will add few text here. So for adding the text, make sure to select the front silk screen. Then we will utilize the draw text tool. So click on it, and now we will name the pins, make it bold, R for rotation, and I'll place it here. I will use Ctrl plus D shortcut for duplicating this. Again Ctrl plus D. We have completed our layout design, and we also added the text in it. So if I turn on the 3D viewer now, you can see this is how our module look like. So in this way you can design the push button module.